Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I wanted to show you the fastest and safest way to defrost a brisket. I'll be the first to admit it. If I go to the supermarket and I find a brisket at a good price, I'm gonna take it even though I don't have any plans to smoke it right then and there. What you do here is you freeze it, but the question now is, which is the fastest and safest way to defrost a brisket? What I found out is that if you submerge the brisket in cold water and change the water every 30 minutes, this should speed up the defrosting process. Now, the brisket that you see in front of you, it took a total of about 2 hours to go from frozen solid to ready to be seasoned for the smoker. Let me just recap. The best and fastest and safest way to defrost a brisket is by submerging it in cold water and replacing that water every 30 minutes until your brisket has defrosted. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. This has been The Smoking Beard, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.